is a result of immense practice, focused hard work, coordination between mind and the body, and the confidence in the abilities of self and their teammates. Now the team leader marches forward to seek permission from the Honorable Chief Guest to march out the team. Ladies and gentlemen, please appraise our team with a thunderous round of applause for the wonderful performance by the young Air Warriors of Air Warrior Drill Team, Subroto of Indian Air Force. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts as you are about to witness a fantastic low-level aerobatic display by PC-7 Mark II aircraft. Today's display is being carried out by Wing Commander S.R. Shingate with Squadron Leader Hemant, both experienced qualified flying instructors on PC-7 Mark II aircraft and posted as directing staff at FIS. And while we are talking, please welcome Meenakshi coming in from your left. Up. Look to your right as the pilot positions himself for the first maneuver, which is a loop. Now, as he comes towards us, he will pitch up and describe a vertical circle in the sky. This maneuver is known as the loop. Diving right now. Pulling up. Beautifully describing a circle in the sky. Reaching the top of the arc. Momentarily defying gravity. The aircraft now recovers close to 250 knots and just 300 feet above the ground, positioning nicely for a flyby where you can see the entire plan of the beautiful aircraft. The pilot is now turning at max rate towards us and accelerating to 220 knots for the next maneuver, which is roll off the top. Watch as the aircraft pulls up and does a smooth roll. And that was executed with perfect timing and grace. And the pilot is now positioning for a sharp, hard turn. Watch as they bank sharply, pulling into a tight, high turn, pushing both the men and machine to their limit. After executing a hard left turn, the pilot is now smoothly transitioning to the right, setting up for a stunning knife edge maneuver. Now shift your gaze to the extreme right. As the name suggests, the aircraft will cut through the air like a knife. This is done by holding 90-degree angle of bank and application of rudder to hold the nose on the horizon. And there she goes, coming in, slicing through the sky. As she positioned for the next maneuver, I would like to inform you that the PC-7 was inducted in the Indian Air Force in 2013 and coincidentally by a team led by the present Air Officer Commanding in Chief Training Command, Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen, now as the PC-7 comes in from your left, let's see what she does next. And the aircraft is flying inverted. Like they say, pilots have a very different perspective of the world. You look up at them and they look up at you. All officers of the Indian Air Force have to undergo training at Air Force Academy. The first flying instructor is always special, as he is the one who has taught them the art and science of flying. Finally, from the right, here she comes. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the aircraft as she now carries out a roll in front of these as a salute. There she rolls. That was the basic trainer aircraft of the Indian Air Force, the Pilatus PC-7 Mark II.
After that scintillating display, now it is time to get captivated by the indigenous light combat helicopter Prachand, as it takes to the skies overhead to carry out some spectacular maneuvers. Please look to your left. Can you spot the Prachand launching and getting into a hover right above the tree line? Coming towards us, please welcome our very own indigenous Prachand with a round of applause. For the very first time, it is carrying out a low-level aerobatics display in Air Force Day Parade. The Prachand climbs now in preparation for its first maneuver, the wing over. Carries out a right wing over and carries to move further right, approaching us. The display today is being performed by Wing Commander Parikshit Nandlal Joshi and Wing Commander Anupam Mahendra of 143 Helicopter Unit, also known as the Dhanush. And for those who missed the maneuver the first time, the pilots are again positioning for another wing over. This time to the left, and there she goes, doing the wing over on the left. Look at that flying beauty, Prachand. With its successful operationalization, IAF has developed the potential to operate seamlessly from the highest battlefield in the world. Have you seen a helicopter hover and do a spot turn? If not, there is your chance. Please notice the rapid pull-up and the unique ability of the rotor as the pilot bunts the helicopter under negative G to come to a hover high above the ground. The Prachand will now be turning on the spot. And there she turns on the spot. Prachand is now getting into a slow dive and gathering momentum to come right in front of us to demonstrate the steep minimum radius turn. Such a lethal combination of firepower, advanced systems and high altitude performance is unmatched by any other helicopter in the world. It has in its arsenal a turret-mounted gun, 70 mm rockets, air-to-air missile and air-to-ground missiles. Keep looking as the helicopter turns to carry out a steep turn again. And the aircraft turns. And then it does another steep turn. The Prachand has flown 2,500 hours since its induction towards training and operationalization all across India. It has emerged as a formidable attack helicopter in RAF's arsenal. Though light in weight, Prachand carries the punch of a heavyweight. It carries more firepower than any helicopter in the world in the same weight class. This flying beauty, the indigenous Prachand, surely teases as it goes away. But wait, hold your breath. And there it goes climbing sleepily. Leads off its speed to zero. Bidding farewell to the lovely audience present today. NCH Prachand, made by a self-reliant India, a self-reliant Indian Air Force. Once again, those were the crew, Wing Commander Parikshit Nandlal Joshi and Wing Commander Anubhav Mahendra from 143HU, the Dhanush, living up to their motto, Sadaiv Lakshyo Mukham, which translates to always focused on target. Let's give a big round of applause for the pilots for giving us this brilliant display and wish the Indian Air Force good luck and great hunting with the light combat helicopter Prachand.
क्षमाशील हो रिपु समक्ष तुम हुए विनीत जितना ही, दुष्ट कौरवों ने तुमको कायर समझा उतना ही। सच पूछो तो शर में ही बसती है दीप्ति विनय की, संधि वचन संपूज्य उसी का जिसमें शक्ति विजय की। देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अभी आप सबने देखा भारत की शान भारतीय वायुसेना के लाइट कॉम्बैट हेलीकॉप्टर प्रचंड को। और अब तैयार हो जाइए और भी अद्भुत प्रदर्शन के लिए, क्योंकि कुछ ही देर में इस आसमान में चार चांद लगाने आ रहे हैं हमारे सारंग दल के हेलीकॉप्टर, जो कि भारतीय वायुसेना में सबसे सक्षम, सशक्त और आत्मनिर्भर होने का गौरव रखते हैं। And now our pilots are all set to paint the skies in Sarang colors. So get ready for an unforgettable spectacle and feel the downwash of the rotors. Without further ado, please welcome the brand ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Sarang helicopter, this lady. The team is maintaining the Yodha formation dedicated to all the air warriors as we celebrate the 92nd anniversary of the Indian Air Force. फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सारंग एक, जिसमें उड़ान भर रहे हैं टीम के कमांडिंग ऑफिसर ग्रुप कैप्टन संतोष कुमार मिश्रा। आज उनके सह पायलट हैं स्क्वाड्रन लीडर बुद्धि सागर डोंगरे। भारतीय वायुसेना ने हमेशा स्वदेशी रक्षा उत्पादन शक्ति के विकास और क्षमताओं को प्रोत्साहित किया है, और अब सारंग टीम अपनी अगली आकृति से आत्मनिर्भरता का उल्लेख करते हुए हवा में अपनी अक्षराई का निर्माण कर आपके सामने से गुजरेगी। And this I stands for you, me, our motherland, and for these indigenously developed helicopters. और अब आपकी दाहिनी ओर से आते हुए सारंग बखूबी इंडिजनाइजेशन का प्रदर्शन करते हुए।
सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
The pilot in command of Sarang 2 is Wing Commander Janpriya with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Sachin Govind. The captain of Sarang 3 is Wing Commander Vinash with Wing Commander Veer as his co-pilot. Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar is in command of Sarang 4 with his co-pilot Wing Commander Gokul Krishnan. And our number 5 is being flown by Wing Commander Adarsh Thakur with Squadron Leader Akash as his co-pilot today. और अब आपकी बाईं ओर से आगे बढ़ती हुई टीम जल्द ही लीडर के आदेश पर डायमंड की आकृति में तब्दील हो जाएगी। आइए सुनते हैं लीडर की कमांड सीधे उनकी कॉकपिट से। Shift your gaze, you are in for a breathtaking surprise. And here goes number 4 pulling up for a stall turn. today's show is Flight Lieutenant Ajit, assisted by the videographers. Right above you all, Sarang 4 is exiting for a short while and will soon be back in the arena with more thrills. Bharatiya Vayu Sena, Saksham, Sashakt, Atmanirbhar, and to showcase these qualities, Sarangs are now positioning for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphins Leap. All three helicopters flying abreast will pull up in the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. Please look straight ahead as Sarang 1, 2 and 3 run in for the Dolphins Leap. And as promised, there goes number 4 joining up with the formation. इन खूबसूरत हवाई मशीनों को पूरी क्षमता से उड़ाने के साथ यह टीम एडवांस लाइट हेलीकॉप्टर ध्रुव की योग्यता एवं पायलटों के कौशल को ही न दिखाकर यह भारतीय विमानन प्रौद्योगिकी की प्रगामी प्रवीणता को भी दर्शाती है. And now a word about the maintenance team who ensures that these 5 birds take to the skies and return safe. The team of the technicians is being ably led by Wing Commander Priyanshu. Today here I would like to make a mention proudly that our team is presently the one and only 5 helicopter military display team in the entire world. On this note, set your gaze straight ahead as the team is rolling in for the crossover break. Both the pairs flying abreast will execute a synchronized banking until their rotors are nearly vertical and cross in very close proximity. Look straight ahead for the crossover break as we await the leader's call. Everyone, please get ready to witness the unmatched precision of our pilots. As both the pairs will now close in towards each other and the pilots will execute a coordinated pitch up, cross each other's flight path with just a hair's breadth of separation. तो अपनी नजरें दोनों ओर बनाए रखें क्योंकि आपकी दाहिनी ओर से आ रहे हैं सारंग 1 और सारंग 3 और बाईं ओर से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सारंग 2 और सारंग 4 लेवल क्रॉस के लिए. It will be a matter of astonishment to you all that while doing these daredevil maneuvers, the aircraft maintains the distance of only 1 rotor diameter. ऐसा ही एक उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करने के लिए तैयार विपरीत दिशाओं से आते हुए सारंग 3 एवं सारंग 4 एक दूसरे को तेज गति से पार कर आपके समक्ष स्टॉल टर्न करते हुए अपने सिग्नेचर मैन्यूवर का प्रदर्शन करेंगे. Please look straight ahead for Sarang 3 and Sarang 4 in high-speed cross. Unity in diversity is India's distinction that trickles down to our team as well. Coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, speaking different languages, we all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front, we present a beautiful pulsating heart to the lovely audience present here today. With love, Sarangs. And there comes a Cupid number 5 from your left, piercing straight through the beautiful Sarang heart. दर्शकों, इन रंग बिरंगे हेलीकॉप्टर को देख भ्रमित न हो। आवश्यकता अनुसार इन सुंदर विमानों की भूमिका भी बदल जाती है। भारतीय वायुसेना के श्रेष्ठतम वायु योद्धाओं की हमारी इस टीम ने समय की मांग अनुसार सभी राहत कार्यों में भी अपने सक्षम और सशक्त होने का परिचय बड़ी ही उत्कृष्टता से दिया है। And this was evident once again during the recent floods in southern Tamil Nadu. Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, Dubai, and recently, 15 days ago, the Sarangs performed over the pyramids at the Egypt International Air Show, a truly proud moment for all of us. और अब अपनी नजरें ले जाइए ठीक सामने, क्योंकि सारंग आ रहे हैं अपने आज के आखिरी मैन्यूवर के लिए. Please look straight ahead as the team is coming together for a jaw-dropping display of synchronized brilliance, the Sarang split, on the soul-lilting tune of Vande Mataram. As the formation splits, the leader will pull up to present a salute to the nation. We shall listen out for the leader's call. This was the Sarang helicopter display team, and we hope that you enjoyed the display as much as we enjoyed performing it for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to witness a low-level aerobatic display by the Sukhoi 30 MKI as Chola, being performed by Wing Commander A.T. Manchekar with Flight Lieutenant Batra of 222 Squadron, known as the Tiger Sharks. Now, take your gaze towards your left. Can you see the Sukhoi 30 MKI appearing on the horizon? And there he comes for a high-speed run at a speed of over 950 kilometers per hour. The pilot shall now carry out a max range turn. It is a critical parameter in aerial combat. want to get caught with this beauty in a dogfight, it is truly unbeatable. The pilot is now positioning to carry out rolls to the right. Look straight ahead as the mighty flanker shall effortlessly carry out multiple rolls right in front of your eyes. And there he comes. Keep your gaze riveted. There he rolls. Flying in this manner requires not only a good degree of situational awareness, but also absolute mastery on the aircraft and a thorough knowledge of its capabilities. He is now carrying out a teardrop turn for a low-speed run from a left towards a right. What distinguishes the supersonic aircraft from others is the ability to fly at low speeds as well. And this is precisely what the MKI will demonstrate to you as she flies past you at mere speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. Note the high angle of attack, as they say, even the winds stop to stare. As you watch, the aircraft is accelerating from 200 kilometers per hour to a very high speed. The pilot is now carrying out a left turn and positioning for a minimum radius turn. He is coming towards you to carry out a minimum radius turn. Do notice the very small radius of the turn of the flanker as he turns right in front of you. The flanker is a nightmare for the enemy and ensures that it always comes out as victorious. The pilot will once again carry out a max rate turn, showcasing its ability to change direction in a matter of just few seconds. This allows it to position behind the enemy at the earliest. So keep your eyes riveted onto the flanker. The Sukhoi 30 MKI is now positioning for a high-speed run-in and brake. So shift your gaze towards your 2 o'clock as the aircraft will shortly approach you from your right. And there he comes at a speed of over 950 kilometers per hour. Don't be fooled by the noiseless dash as the thunder always follows the Sukhoi. That was the mighty Sukhoi 30 MKI demonstrating its superior agility. This is the only operational combat aircraft in the Indian Air Force with thrust vectoring and is truly the very best.
have next is the major success story of the Indian aerospace industry, protector of the Indian skies, light combat aircraft, Tejas. Keep your eyes glued towards your 3 o'clock onto your right. Making a move in is Group Captain Karthikeya Singh with the first maneuver of the Tejas called the snap roll. There he goes, rolling off to glory and positioning straight ahead for the next. The aircraft is now executing maximum range curve. As he moves away, let us remind you of the decades of efforts which have gone into making this program a resounding success. After decades of research and development by countless numbers of exceptional individuals, Tejas was finally inducted into the Indian Air Force in 2016 with the first unit, 45 Squadron, formed at Bangalore. On to your left, coming from 10 o'clock, is Tejas now positioning for the next maneuver, the red eye turn. In this maneuver, the pilot shall demonstrate true capability of the aircraft, returning the cockpit towards his right. There he goes, bluffing the adversary, and followed by a sharp left turn. That is target locked and destroyed. Moving from your 2 o'clock, coming straight ahead shortly, with Tejas will be depicted the next maneuver, the minimum radius turn. That is just a turn of bare 100 meters, turning tight almost like on a racetrack. A very offensive turn, displaying the aircraft's superior aerodynamic design and abilities. Another display of a tight 200 meters long glide. Shall proceed again in front of the audience for the next maneuver, the slow speed march. Keep your eyes glued onto the light combat aircraft moving out at 10 o'clock and shortly will be positioning from 9 o'clock, that is towards your left. The slow speed pass is an exceptional maneuver carried out at just a staggering speed of 120 knots. Stand by to witness a gracious effort in the blue skies. Dear audience, a big round of applause for the light combat aircraft Tejas graciously gliding in front of you. The aircraft is showing off its reserve of thrust that it still has got to itself and taking position from 2 o'clock for a right positioning for the next maneuver, the multiple rolls. All eyes glued onto the Tejas as it will be exiting the show shortly after this maneuver, carrying out multiple rolls, going on inverted in a straight leg and thereafter multiple rolls again. There she comes from the right, 3 o'clock position. Multiple rolls. Inverted, top to style. And one last time this year. That, ladies and gentlemen, was the light combat aircraft Tejas. after the marvelous aerobatics performed by the Sukhoi 30 MKI and light combat aircraft Tejas, we are now ready to take up the thrill by few notches. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, you will see 9 magnificent jets of the Suryakiran aerobatic team proudly wave the tricolor in the sky. दर्शकों, मुझे ये बताते हुए अत्यंत गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम केवल भारत की ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे एशिया की इकलौती 9 एयरक्राफ्ट एरोबैटिक टीम है। सूर्यकिरण टीम की स्थापना सन 1996 में हुई और इस टीम ने 2011 तक किरण विमान में एरोबैटिक्स का प्रदर्शन कर भारतीय वायुसेना का नाम रोशन किया। सन 2015 में टीम की पुनर्स्थापना हुई, मगर इस बार हॉक मार्क 132 वायुयान पर, जिसे आज आप बहुत ही नजदीक से देख पाएंगे। सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम ने करीबन 72 शहरों में 600 से भी अधिक एरोबैटिक डिस्प्लेज करने का दुर्लभ लक्ष्य प्राप्त किया है और केवल भारत में ही नहीं बल्कि विदेश में भी भारतीय वायुसेना का परचम लहराया है। इनमें से कुछ देश हैं सिंगापुर, श्रीलंका, चाइना एवं यूएई। The Suryakiran team is part of the 52 squadron. The squadron is also known as the Sharks, whose motto is Sadaiv Sarvotam, meaning always the best. The countdown has now begun. Very soon you will see the aircraft of the Suryakiran team taking over the skies. भारतीय वायुसेना जानी जाती है अपने अनुशासन, एकाग्रता और कार्यकुशलता के लिए, और आज सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम इसी हुनर और जोश को दर्शाएंगे। So ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Here come the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Suryakiran aerobatic team, led by Group Captain Gurpreet Singh Dhillon. Fixed on the team, you will now see the aircraft moving behind onto the wings of our Deputy Leader, Group Captain Siddesh Karthik. The aircraft have now transformed into the shape of light combat aircraft Tejas. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the Tejas is a symbol of courage and self-reliance. Ladies and gentlemen, please shift your gaze to the left. Here comes the Suryakiran team in the Tejas formation.
हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है। हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार हैं, तैयार हैं। अब जो भी हो शोला बनके पर्वत पर है छाया। कदमों से मिलते हैं कदमे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के
and gentlemen, keep looking closely. You will now see another transformation. The aircraft will be seen forming the shape of the letter Y. And there you can see they have moved behind onto the wings of number 7, Squadron Leader Chandel. This letter Y is dedicated to the dynamic youth of the nation, the future of our country. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you is the Surya Kiran team's Yuva formation. The co-pilot of the team leader is Group Captain Ajay Dasrathi. And flying on his wings in most formations is number 2 Squadron Leader Jasdeep and number 3 Squadron Leader Vishnu. Please keep looking at the formation closely. You will see one aircraft is detaching from the formation. That's number 7 Squadron Leader Chandel, who will be back soon. दर्शकों, टीम का अगला बदलाव होगा ठीक आपके सामने। लीडर के डायमंड गो के आदेश पर आप देखेंगे नंबर 8 और 9 को एक डायमंड की आकृति बनाते हुए। So let's hear his call straight from his cockpit. And now please shift your gaze towards your left. There comes number 7 positioning for the next maneuver.
Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the
And there he inverts.
stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool.
The aircraft that you see flying above are the Hawk Mark 132, advanced jet trainer, originally manufactured in the United Kingdom, but proudly made in India today by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Please look to your right as number 7 comes in to show you a 360-degree view of the Hawk Mark 132. Now it's time to shift our gaze straight ahead. You can see the aircraft approaching from in front of you. And on the leader's call, they will spread in the sky.
Dixon, break, go!
Well, we are just getting started. The team will now commence their synchro maneuvers, in which we will bring the action much lower and closer to you. टीम के पहले सिंक्रो मैनूवर के लिए कृपया अपनी नजरें दाहिनी ओर ले जाएं। वहां से आ रहे हैं विंग कमांडर कुलदीप हुड्डा और विंग कमांडर एलन जॉर्ज। लेकिन कृपया अपनी बाईं तरफ भी देखते रहें। वहां से आ रहे हैं Wing Commander Rajesh Kajla or Squadron Leader Ankit Vashisht. Please brace yourselves as they present the barbed wire cross. Look to your right and your left, here they are. ऐसे जोखिम भरे करतब इतनी दक्षता से करने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत और एक दूसरे पर पूरी तरह भरोसा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और इसी कठिन परिश्रम और अटूट भरोसे की एक और झलक आपको दिखाएंगे हमारे सिंक्रो बडीज नंबर 8 और नंबर 9। So ladies and gentlemen, once again shift your gaze towards your right. Here comes number 8. And if you look to your left, you will see number 9 coming in for the coolest high five in the sky.
हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह फतेह हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान
Please shift your gaze towards your right. You will see the aircraft approaching in the shape of the letter A. And this A represents the mighty aerospace power that the Indian Air Force is today. And that's number 5 coming in from your left. और अब टीम के अगले मैनूवर के लिए कृपया अपनी नजरें दाहिनी ओर ले जाएं। आपको विमान वहीं से आपकी ओर बढ़ते नजर आएंगे। And on my count of 3, 2 and 1, they will roll together in the sky to present an aerial rock and roll. Please look to your right. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, here we go! It's time now to shift our gaze towards the left. You will see the aircraft form a helix in the sky resembling the DNA. And in our DNA, we store the core values of mission, integrity, and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, the DNA maneuver. technical team, which is led by Wing Commander Paritosh Negi, Squadron Leader Dhayal, and Flight Lieutenant Manil Sharma. For the next maneuver, I request you all to please shift your gaze straight ahead, as you will see the aircraft approaching you. These aircraft will soon spread in the sky to present the Suryakiran burst. और अब टीम के अगले मैनूवर के लिए कृपया ठीक अपने सामने देखें। जल्द ही लीडर के आदेश पर आसमान में सूर्य की किरणों की तरह फैल जाएंगे ये विमान। So look straight ahead and let's listen out for the leader's call straight from his cockpit. और ये था सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम का एरियल सैल्यूट हमारे मुख्य अतिथि और आज की ऑडियंस के लिए।
Sujalam Sufalam Marayaj Shitalam Sasya Shamalam Vande Mataram